Excellent. Now, once you have played it 25 times, now we're going to move on to the minor chord. We played the major chord, which is going to be C, E, and G. The minor chord, however, is the same thing as the major chord, except the third scale degree and any key is moved half a step down. So in this case, it's going to be E, 1, 2, 3, and we're going to move it down half a step, and that will make it into a minor chord. So here's the major chord. Now we're going to move the third step down, half a step down, and now it sounds like a. So the new notes in this chord is going to be the C, the E flat, and the G. There we go. The E goes into a flat and makes it a C, E flat, and G. So go ahead and play C minor on your piano. Here, go an octave higher, play it here. Go an octave higher, play it here. Play it once you know the notes comfortably. Now we're going to move on to playing the other variations. So, same fingerings, 1, 3, and 5 at C. Now we're going to move it up to E flat. Your hand is 1, 2, 5 now. And now again 1, 3, 5 at G. And we move it up again to C. So the notes are going to be C, E flat, G. We're going to move it up to E flat, G, and C. Move it up again to G, C, E flat. And lastly, we're going to move it up to C, E flat, and G again. Now we'll go down from C to G to E flat and to C. Excellent. Once you can play one octave of C minor with the right hand, now we're going to move it on to the left hand, play the exact same notes. So starting from C, E flat, and G. Now we're going to move it up to E flat, G, and C. Move it up again to G, C, and E flat. Now 5, 2, 1. And move it up again to C, E flat, and G. Excellent. Now let's go down from C to G to E flat and lastly to C. Very good. Once you got the left hand and the right hand down pretty well, now we're going to combine the hands and play both hands C minor. So we start from C, E flat, G. Move up to E flat, G, C. Move it up again to G, C, E flat. And lastly, C, E flat, G again. Excellent. Now we go down from C, E flat, G to G, C, E flat, E flat, G, C, and lastly to C, E flat, G. Very good. Once you can play it one octave pretty comfortably and you know pretty well with two hands, now we're going to go, 25 times 4 octaves up and down. There you go. That was all the C major and the C minor chords for this video. We're done playing basic chords in the key of C. Now we can move on to the next chord, G.